Hello everyone! So, this is Jun Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. So, now, kakatapos lang po ng tripping natin dito sa Southview Homes and in-inquire ni client ang ready for occupancy. So, ano nga ba yung ready for occupancy? So, ready for occupancy unit, ito po yung unit or house and lot na constructed na. Then, second question is, Sir, makakalipat ba kaagad kami kapag nag-reserve na kami, ni-reserve na namin yung unit? So, the answer is no. So, there are two things para ma-consider na para makalipat tayo sa ready for occupancy natin. So, first, kailangan is bayad mo in full yung ating down payment. Then, after that, second is kailangan mo ng approval ng bank. So, bank or Pag-ibig kung ano man yung financing institution na in-applyan natin. So, that's the time na magta-turnover na po sa kanila or pwede na nilipatan yung unit. So, yun na po. Again, this is Jun Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. Bye-bye! See you!